welcome everybody. I'm Paul from SmoothStar, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of any squeaks that may appear in your SmoothStar. It could be from the back trucks, it could be from the front trucks. Just remember guys, SmoothStar has a lot of moving parts, and like a high quality bicycle, it needs lubrication. The lubrication can dry out and you do get a slight squeaking noise, similar to what you're going to hear now. Let me assure you there's nothing wrong with the board, it's quite normal, so let's get stuck into how we can remove that noise. There's basically a few areas on your thruster where the noise could be coming from, and I'll show you where they are now. The first one is on the small washer end bearing on the outside of the thruster, where the large bolt is, where it says don't turn, so please don't touch that. But you can certainly put some lubricant on that and move the thruster back and forth a few times, and that may eliminate the squeak. This second area is underneath the thruster where there's a main spring, and that spring can also dry out. Place a little bit of lubricant on each end of the spring, and that will also potentially eliminate the problem. The third area is also underneath the thruster. It's the large bearing located underneath the housing. Placing a few droplets of oil on that and then oscillating the thruster and lubricating it should eliminate the problem once again. So here's a board actually that has a squeak. So I'm going to place some sewing machine oil on the outside of the small thruster bearings to see if that removes the squeak. I recommend not using WD-40, it's just a short-term fix, whereas sewing machine oil is going to last a lot longer. So here we go, just a few dabs, just around the washer, work it in. So if adding the oil to this area doesn't take away the squeak, let's go to the second option, which is lubricating the spring. Okay, so I'm going to put a few drops of oil on each end of the spring to see if that will do the job. So on this occasion, it looks like lubricating the spring has done the job. If option 2 didn't work, try option 3 by placing oil under the hub. Hopefully now all the squeaks have disappeared from your board. Don't forget, from time to time they can reappear, so just add the lubrication once again and enjoy your SmoothStar.